everyone, this is Surbhi here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to share with you this beautiful painting which is going to be my balloon dips or balloon kisses. So I have my heart canvas which is 30 centimeter wide, and I'm going to be using these beautiful small bottles of Arteza paints which are already mixed up. So these are pouring acrylic colors which are, I don't have to mix anything to it. And so I'm going to be base coating my canvas first with the white paint, and then I plan to have some flowers by layering some paints on top of each other. And I'm going to be using my lovely balloons here for some balloon kisses. So join me in the making of this beautiful balloon kiss, lovely heart painting. Let me base coat my canvas first. See you soon. So the canvas is ready and we're going to start with our lovely painting here. So I'm going to start with this beautiful yellow. Oh, one drop only. Oh no, go. Okay, so just need to get rid of this. Try to have a little bit of more paint here in this part. Okay, fixed it. I will see how it goes. If I find I might have another flower there as well. So we're just going to have, this is a beautiful orange, neon orange. So I'm going to make like a flower. You can see an air bubble there. I'm going to have my, I think, red rounded. Okay. White, one drop in the middle, and this beautiful, it's a metallic color, wine red. Okay, I think I need to have a tiny bit of more yellow somewhere. So we can have a beautiful orangey lemony color as well. So that should be enough. Now I'm going to use my balloon. Start with the balloon kisses. I think first I need to get rid of my bubbles. Any bubbles, air bubbles. Okay, so nice and clean balloon. So should we clean it? Oh, not bad. Okay, so I can see, I think maybe we had quite a lot of white here in this area. So just see, any air bubbles there? Okay, so we could have a few more flowers, I think. Maybe one here and one there. So one here and one here. I'm going to use my orange again. I'm going to use a little bit more orange here on this one now. Maybe leave the white out. have a nice red around it. Something different. You can always fix anything like that. If you feel there's something gone wrong, just cover over it with the paint. That should help. Okay, so, and then the wine red. Two, three, four. Okay. One drop of white. Okay, and then we'll start. You can use the same balloon if you like, just wipe it clean, and you can use the same one if you like. I'm just going to draw a little bit of roll. Oh no, I should have done that roll. Just go back to the same one. Oh, a little bit different, this one. Very light. It's okay. So we could still have a few more, I think, small ones. Maybe one here, one here, and let's have one more here. You have orange first and then yellow on the top. To make small ones. And then just have the red. Oh, dripping a lot. Okay. Maybe I could have a bit of black, one drop of black in the middle, just to give some definition to the flowers. Okay, a bit small and a bit different. Oopsie, we lost that flower there. So I think maybe there was too much paint and we lost it again. So never mind. You can always go over that again if you like. Let's see, let's try it out. I think just have orange, yellow, tiny bit of black, and the red. Get around. Okay, so I'm going to use a different balloon this time. A nice and clean balloon. Okay, that looks better, I think. I think I would like to go over this, but I don't want to do too much because otherwise we have thick paint. So just for the definition, I think I'm going to have a black, drop of black in each one of them. Okay. Lovely. Quite happy with it, but I'm just thinking maybe I'm getting a little bit greedy now, all of you. Just trying to think of how many more can I have. Maybe I would like to have one more here in the middle. And I hope this is going to be my last one. Let's see, not too much black. And then Okay, that's it. That should do. Just go over it, the torch. Now, I'm just thinking these two places on the top, they do look a little bit blank to me, so I don't want to leave it blank like that, and I want to improve on it, making sure this is a very nice and colorful flower dip painting. Black, and let's have wine red instead of the bright red in these flowers, these two flowers. So if you haven't tried something like that, try it out. I hope you like it. I like them. Okay, so that's it. Finished with our lovely painting, flower dip, flower kisses. So if you like them, please leave some comments for me, give me a like, or if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you once again, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye now. Look at these beautiful colors. I think this one is the best color, best flower. Amazing. Look at the lovely lacing. Wow. Amazing. Really impressed. So I hope you like it too. This is a nice one as well, nice and different. They're so different. All of them are different. None of them are the same. So pleased. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.